everybody, as you can see we got the front mud flaps from WeatherTech. These fit the ZR2. These are molded, custom fit, no drill mud flaps. That's why we decided to go with these. These aren't sexy or badass. I wouldn't even call them cool, but they will protect your truck. They are sleek and molded and designed to specifically fit your vehicle. The finish is great and they feel sturdy. We decided to go with mud flaps because we're tired of hearing rocks skip down the side of the truck. Here's the rear set. The front, I believe, are more important, but we decided to get both. Never work on a vehicle while thirsty. It's science. Let's get started. You don't have to remove the wheel for this job, but I did so you can get a better view with the camera. I'll leave the other wheels on to show you. These mud flaps come with an integrated latch system that helps keep them really sturdy. When you turn this Allen head bolt, that's when the latch assembly goes behind the existing wheel well cover. All you have to do is remove these 3 screws. The front mud flaps come with 1 new bolt and it goes in this hole right here. Now let's move to the rear and I'll show you with the wheel on. On the rear, you'll reuse all the old hardware. Let's get the front wheel back on. Don't forget to torque it. They've got a good design and they don't look as bad as I thought they would. My only concern was when you're off-roading if one of these catches on a rock, but they're so easy to take on and off that if we did get in a rough spot, we could pull them off in about 5 minutes. Up here in Alaska, there's snow and ice on the ground for almost half the year. They don't use salt, but they do use gravel. This gravel gets picked up and thrown all over your vehicle by your tires. Hopefully this is going to help out a little bit. What do you guys think? Do they look halfway decent? If you like the video, please like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching.